Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie. It's 5:15 in the morning and I'm making Papa breakfast and you wanted to see the sunrise skillet. Well, here it comes. Okay, so what we have here, well, there's our strainer and our eggs. We'll set those aside. Now, this is basically just an omelet. But it's a fancy omelet. You know, usually Daddy gets scrambled eggs with onion and stuff, but we're not giving them any bacon or anything today, so we're just gonna... So what we have here is some mushrooms, some colorful sunrise-likey peppers, some ham, some eggs, some green onion, and some salsa. Your strength, whether you like it medium, mild, or hot, that's up to you. But first, I'm going to get some of these mushrooms going in the frying pan here. Fancier ham if you like, but we buy what's on sale. Those other two halves are going to go into Daddy's lunch. Meat and our sausages. It's supposed to be sizzling. Now I've got my strainer here and I'm going to cut up some green onion. Now, I'm going to save some of these ingredients for supper tonight too. So it doesn't have to be a lot. You can chop it with your chopper if you like. Or you can mix up the textures like Daddy likes them. Gracie, stop. We'll just cut these larger pieces in half. We will drop them into the strainer and give them a rinse. I like to saute my vegetables a little bit first so that they don't make look at that. So they don't put a lot of liquid into your omelet. So you want to give them a rough saute first. We're going to take 3 eggs, and yes, my hens are starting to lay again. I give Daddy 3 eggs because he's got a long way to wait till lunch. We don't cook like this every day, but Daddy eats cereal a lot of days, but you know, once or twice a week Daddy's got to have a high protein breakfast with lots of veg. Now I'm just going to take a tablespoon or a heaping tablespoon of medium salsa. And this is where it got the name, my sunrise salsa skillet. Because then it turns this pinky. You know what? I could use just a little bit more, couldn't it? And it's all nice and sizzling. We stir up our salsa eggs. Wow. Just like that. Now you can call this a skillet, you can call it a scramble. If I could find my lid, I would, I'm going to turn this down now so it doesn't scorch on the bottom. We'll just drop this lid over it and turn that right down. And we'll just let that cook while we make the toast. Papa is out of bed. I wish the lighting was better for you. Isn't that beautiful? We call this our sunrise salsa scramble skillet. It is full of beautiful colors. We're going to give Daddy a little bit of pepper because we all know how he feels about that. Here is your sunrise salsa scramble skillet, whatever you want to call it. Here's your lunch. Let me get you a glass of milk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you, honey. We'll get you out of your face. Here's your milk. Don't forget to take your meds. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead. I don't always get out of bed this early for you folks, but when it's a sunrise scramble salsa skillet or a sunrise salsa scramble skillet, whatever you want to call it, and it can be sunset depending on the time of day. You wanted to see it. There it is. Have a great day. Take care. God bless. And it's a good way of getting vegetables into them, right?